Hey guys, what's up? Mohit Agarwal here. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I am also doing great. So last chance for what? Last chance for winning the giveaway offer. Okay. And one more thing before I announce this video, one more thing I would like to say that if you are looking to buy the classes, okay, if you're looking to buy the classes from me, then this is the best time because right now huge discount offer is going on and I've made available the classes almost at cost, So just grab the classes guys, and let me tell you, you will never regret after buying my classes because the education, quality education and the maths are of top notch level. I assure you, this is my personal guarantee. So make sure you're buying the classes at this moment only because right now the prices that I have kept is absolutely almost at cost. Okay. Now last chance for what? Last chance for winning the giveaway. Today I am going to announce the giveaway winner at 8 p.m. sharp. So today the giveaway winner will be announced at 8 p.m. sharp in MEPL classes channel. Okay, not in this channel, in MEPL classes channel. If you haven't subscribed our this main channel of Mohit Agarwal and the new channel of MEPL classes, what you need to do to win this giveaway is just subscribe both of these channels, and there is a video in MEPL classes. You just need to comment over there. Okay, and one of the random winners will be announced today at 8 p.m. and the giveaway will be the laptop. Thank you guys. So do subscribe not only for the giveaway but for the quality content and for all the important revision marathons that we bring for you. Okay.